guys, and welcome back to David's R&R, where today we're going to be doing one of 3 different tests with this go-kart. We're going to do 2 engine swaps, maybe 3 engines total, to see how much just a little bit of horsepower difference can make in the top speed, the acceleration, and the torque of your go-kart. If you notice, this black cover is on here. It's not the original from the engine. Don't worry. I have the other one, it's just that it's really doo-doo and it doesn't work very well. So we got a different full cover on here now. So anyway, let's get started. Let's see how fast this thing really does go. I'm going to do a few hot laps first to start, and then we'll see how we do with everything else. Well, we got the chain back on, and I think that concludes our hot laps. So now we're going to do some top speed testing, and we're just going to see how fast this thing can really go. Alright guys, so the test perimeter, the length of drag strip, basically I'm calling it, for our top speed run is from here all the way down to about there, which is about 100 yards or 1/16 of a mile. So basically I'm just going to call it a 1/16 mile time, and our maximum speed was actually 22 miles per hour. And the reason for that, I think the reason it was not that high before, the clutch is going out. The clutch is really old. It comes and goes. This chain is actually, it snapped in half, and I made it work. I used some pliers and pushed the link back together. It was not the master link that broke, so it's not like I can just do whatever I want with it and snap the link back together and go ham on it. This is also an old worn out clutch that's on here too, so those factors accumulate for it. I think that it could be even a little bit higher than this, but I'm just gonna leave it 22 miles per hour. I don't want to burn the engine up. This engine's going on something else, not a go-kart or mini bike, something with utility wise. But I think 22 is pretty respectable for the size of this engine, and I know it could get more probably, but I think 22 is pretty darn good. You're moving pretty fast, 22 miles per hour, and for somebody that's a little bit a younger person or somebody that doesn't want to go fast, that's fine. But we're going to be swapping on a Predator pretty soon and letting her go, giving her some beans. So you don't want to miss that. You want to stay tuned. I actually also got some footage of me with going fast behind the wheel. I hope you all enjoy that too. So I'll catch you all in the next one. And this is David signing out. Have a good one. Peace. man, that was brutal. That's what you call a backbreaker.